I love things like this. I always look for like a little special thing because I get bored of my clothes. Like, being totally real and honest with you guys, sometimes it gets boring wearing the same thing all the time. So you have to add a little bit of something in there because sometimes it can really truly be so boring. But it also makes it really fun because I think it makes it so much more special if you have a tiny closet, you don't have a lot of stuff, but everything is just like so special to you and has something so cool about it. It makes it so much fun. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. She's French, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It's down below. Today's video is gonna be a little haul, exciting. In my what's in my minimalist closet video, I was kind of telling you that there's some gaps in my closet, things I'd love to add and things that I just love to have. So I got a couple of those things and I love what I got so much. I figured I would show you, tell you about them. You know, I always kind of find like interesting things and cool brands and stuff. So, well, I think so anyway. So let's get started. It's not a humongous haul because I am a minimalist. The first thing I'm wearing right now, it is a Skims bodysuit. Oh my God, I don't know the exact name of it. Let me try to find my order. My handy iPad right here. Oh, and I just got an email. Okay, this is called the Essential Mock Neck Long Sleeve Bodysuit, and I got a size small medium, and this is onyx. These are not cheap, but I wear these so often because I wear these things for work that I'm okay with investing because they get so much wear. And I've tried to go the cheaper route and get things that it's like, oh, whatever, it's for work. I wear through them so fast that I end up repurchasing, and it doesn't make sense. Eventually it all adds up and I'll probably be paying the same amount. I love this. It's super beautiful. The sleeves are so nice. This is an interesting material. Skims has a lot of different variations of materials. This one's a bit thicker, I would say. I think you should still wear a bra. You can kind of see the outline of mine under, unless you don't want to, if that's your look, but it's definitely gonna show. Not in a transparent way, but in a way of like, you can see what's under, you know? So that's the first one. I absolutely love it. These things are such a core part of my closet. If I don't have good basics, then I don't have a working closet as a minimalist. The next one is also bodysuit, but like regular round crew neck. This is a different material. This one's much thinner. This one's very thick, and I think that's why the price point is higher on this, because it has like that like cinching in smoothing effect. This is really nice and smooth, super sleek, but it's not going to give you that same compression. This is called the Fits Everybody long sleeve crew neck bodysuit. This is the color onyx, which I'm assuming is their black. It's not the deepest black, but it's definitely black, and I got a size small. This is a little bit cheaper than this one. This is going to be so great. Also just a layering piece to wear under and with everything. These are such a great base for styling. You can do so much with having this on. You can throw on a more exciting jacket, blazer, goes with all your pants. These are so versatile. The next piece that I got, it's not as exciting. It's a bra. I was telling you that I don't have the right bras at the moment. I have like more like bralette styles, but you can see them under clothing. You can see like the straps and the scoop. So I got, and I'm looking at the name, the Fits Everybody t-shirt bra. This is the color clay. I tried this one under like a white tee, and it really is invisible. You can see a tiny bit of the outline of the cups, but I think that's just like based on how your body is. I always had a hard time finding a cup that was truly seamless, but I'd say that this is pretty good. Just, you know, like the basic t-shirt bra that everybody needs to have. I do really like this one. I was actually looking, I have the Galeries Lafayette, like huge Parisian department store near me, and I was looking at their bras, and for some reason there was nothing like this. So I ordered online, which I don't love ordering bras online because it's a bit of a gamble, unless you get a bralette and it's like small, medium, large kind of sizes, but these are like the round size and the cup size that you're putting together. So based on reviews, I was able to figure out my size, but ideally you would try something like this. The next thing, I can't show you because it's another bra, but I really recommend it. I'm gonna add a picture right here. It's the Fits Everybody Lace Online Scoop Bra. I'm wearing it right now. Such a beautiful bra. I wanted something that's not necessarily padded, but isn't gonna show under clothing the way my others do. So you can see I'm wearing it right now. You can see there's a bra on, but it's not giving that like outline like this that my other ones give. It's really great. It's so comfortable. It's online, so you have to like that. You know, like this is such a preference, but I think the shape is so flattering. And I think the shape is actually nicer than this one, but I think part of it is also that it's online, so it just fits closer to you. Such a great bra. I love it. Love everything I got. I have a lot of the Skims tops. I really recommend them. I do think that the quality is worth it. Like I was saying, I've tried dupes. It's not the same. If you know Skims and if you've tried Skims, you'll really see a difference. The next thing I got is this little sweater. I'd love to do a try on, but I don't want to get makeup on it. And I'm wearing a turtleneck. I wore the wrong thing. I'm gonna add some pictures of it on the models. So for me as a minimalist, when the seasons change, I can really tell like as I'm wearing the things and working with my closet, and you know that my closet is so small, I can tell when something's missing, and I can tell when I start to wear something like all the time and I need to switch it up. I have a beautiful oversized turtleneck sweater that I've just been wearing nonstop, and it was like, okay, I think I need another sweater to rotate with and not just that one. And I knew I wanted to do a light one because I have the black and I didn't want something too similar. I wanted to get like a fresh feeling. So I got this one. I love that kind of preppy look, but this is such a different take on it. And I think that polos are going to be such a thing this year. I just feel it coming. That still like kind of cling onto that preppy look, but in like a different way, I think. And actually, I've seen Hailey Bieber wearing a polo recently, and Hailey Bieber is a really good trend forecaster, or her stylist is. I just feel like she's always wearing what's about to be popular. So anyway, this is something quite similar that I love to wear for work. I've already worn it. It's so cute. It looks so cute with your hair up. It has like the built-in collar. This is a very interesting knit. It's quite heavyweight, but it's very fine. This knit is very like on brand, I'd say. I have a dress from this brand. I'm gonna add some pictures that I wore for my son's first birthday, and it's just like the best dress on earth. So I knew that this would be amazing too. And it has that same kind of drape. It's like a super fine knit, but it's heavy. It has really good weight. It's not too long. It's very different from my black sweater that's very oversized. This falls just right at the hips. And oh my gosh, I didn't tell you the brand this whole time. The brand is Muse. It's an Australian brand, and they're just stunning. I really recommend checking them out. I did get this on sale. I think I got this like more than 40% off because it's an expensive brand. So look for sales, but everything they do is so stunning. And last but not least, we have a pair of pants that I've seen a while ago now, and I've been thinking about, and actually I couldn't stop thinking about, which is why I finally got them, because I was scared that I wouldn't be able to find them again. This is another Australian brand, so I was worried that I wouldn't be able to find them in Europe apart from the one store that I saw them at. These are from Essence. The brand is Saint Agni. It's a super, super cool minimalist brand with very elevated basics and amazing quality items. Also really worth looking up. I am Muse, and this one I think you have to look up and even just take inspo from how they style and everything, because it's so stunning. So these pants are, I think they're called the belted pant. These are like translated over into French, so something belted from what I've seen. They have this really cool belted detail. I will try these on for you guys because you won't be able to see it. There's this little belt attachment that starts in the back, and you can remove it if you don't want it. It goes all around the front. You clip it on, and then it has this big drop. So beautiful. They have an amazing cut to them. They fall not super tight, but just right. They're a little bit of a mid-rise, I would say, not a high-rise. And the back is super cool. They have different pockets. I love things like this. I always look for like a little special thing because I get bored of my clothes. Like, being totally real and honest with you guys, sometimes it gets boring wearing the same thing all the time. So you have to add a little bit of something in there because sometimes it can really truly be so boring. But it also makes it really fun because I think it makes it so much more special if you have a tiny closet, you don't have a lot of stuff, but everything is just like so special to you and has something so cool about it, it makes it so much fun. So that's why, you know, you can get bored of some clothes, but overall I don't feel like I have a boring closet because I have basics, but they always have a little something to them. So these are amazing. I'm gonna try them on for you right now. All right, so here we go. It's so hard to show you this when I'm wearing all black. I actually think these look a lot better. Like right now, if I was wearing this bodysuit, I would layer a blazer over top. I think these look really good with like a t-shirt, not a bodysuit, when you have that like little divide right here. But anyway, I'm just showing you these on to show you the pants. I have them on with my slingbacks. Oh my god, they look so good together. So that is the end of my little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry, I keep on shaking the table. I have a very DIY setup right now. You're leaning against a little pouch on top of 2 boxes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was so nice spending time with you. I love to share cool brands, cool pieces with you guys. So I hope that you liked my little picks here. If you're not subscribed, please, please, please subscribe. It's all down below here. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.